Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Analytics with Nan. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important time intelligence functions which is total YTD. What is total YTD? When do we use it? What is the results that we get when you use total YTD? Let us discuss them in detail. YTD stands for year to date. It evaluates the year to date value of the expression in the current context, which means if you have a value, the sum of sales, it evaluates from the 1st of January till the date that you pass as an argument. If you take an example, if today's date is 24th May 2024, it evaluates the total YTD value from the 1st of Jan till this date. Okay. And if you see the syntax, total YTD, the expression, you can give an expression, for example, sum of sales, and the date, whichever the date that you pass it as a date argument. Couple of other arguments here, filter and year end date. As this is in the square bracket, this is optional. Even if you don't pass this argument, still that syntax is validated successfully. Okay. Let us discuss this is another important is year end date. Let us discuss this argument, the second part of this video. Total YTD, if you see an example, total YTD, sum of sales from the internet sales fact table and the date key from the date table. Let's get onto Power BI and see how we can implement this. So we have a sales related information here. So let me expand fact in under sales. We have order date here and sales amount. Let me bring that into a table. Let me expand the table here and bring that order date into a table as well as the sales amount. Let me increase the values from 20 pixel to 20 pixel. Similarly, let me increase the values for the column header too. I don't want this date in the date hierarchical manner. Let me change it in from the hierarchical manner to this date value. So I have the daily sales starting from July 1st, 2005. You see this, you see that 2nd July has some other sales amount, okay, hands on till some dates, okay. So whatever it is, let's create a measure using total YTD. So I want a sales YTD, okay. Let me create a measure and fact analysis table. Click on three dots, select new measure. Let me provide a name of the measure sales YTD is equal to function total YTD. If you see the expression here, the expression I would like to pass it as a sum of sales. Okay. So next, you need to pass the date as a argument. So the date we are considering the order date here. Let me mention order date from fact inventory sales. You may give this date from the date table as well if both the tables are joined. Okay. Next, I don't want to pass filter or year end date at this moment. I'll definitely mention this about year end date and the second part of this video. Close. Click on commit. Successfully validated. Let's bring the sales YTD measure into a table. Yeah. The first date value, which is same when is the individual sales, daily sales, and the YTD. If you see the next date, 2nd July 2005, the sales amount is the daily sales 13.9 thousand, and whereas the YTD it is giving the 28,000, which is adding the cumulative value 14 plus 13.9, 28,000. 3rd July plus 15, it is adding 43. 4th July plus 7, 50,000, and so on. So this YTD keeps adding the value from the 1st of the January till date. Here is a catch. We don't have a data from the 1st of January 2005. The data in this file is starting from 1st July. That's the reason it is showing from here. That's fine. Okay. Um, it keeps on calculating until the 31st December 2005. If you observe here on 31st December 2005, This total sales amount is 32 lakhs some change. Again, the next year, 2006, January 1st, it is reset again. The value is reset. Again, it keeps adding till the next 31st December next year, 2006. So that is a YTD. Hope you understand now, right? But there is a catch here again. If you see the total, it is almost showing 2 crore 90 lakhs something. But if you see the YTD total, it is 97 lakhs. What is this? What is this total? Just to understand it clearly, let me bring that year as a slicer. The year which I am taking as a order year, right? Order date. So let me bring that slicer and the order here into this. So we have data. Now you understand that we have data for 4 years, 2005 to 2008. Let me select 2007. Now if you see 2007, the data starts from 1st Jan, right? 12,000 plus 1932 plus 1345 and so on. It keeps adding till 31st December, right? Now, if you see the total sales amount for the individual sales, 97 lakhs, and YTD it is 97 lakhs. Now you understand? Even if I don't select, so this 97.7 lakhs is the last year total sales. So last year is here is 2008. If I select the 2000 year, both should remain same. Yes. If you select the different year, the number should be different. Let us discuss the second part of the function, which is year end date. For example, if an organization does not follow fiscal year calendar but follows the financial year calendar, which means it starts on 1st April and ends on 31st March. In such cases, YTD should not end on 31st December. It should end on 31st March. It should reset on 1st April, not 1st January. In such cases, by default, if you use sales YTD, it will not work. So you have to use the year end function too. Let's create one more measure. Click on three dot for fact analysis table. New measure. Let me create one more measure. Sales YTD. Let me add another name. FI. Financial year is equal to. Use the same function. Total YTD. Again, same expression. Sum of sales amount from fact intended sales. Provide the same date, which is order date from fact intended sales. This order date from fact intended sales, comma. Now this filter I don't want to pass because as it is optional. Let's go to the year end date. So we have to provide the year end date. As I mentioned, my year end date for for an organization is 31st March, right? You give the 31st March as a number 331. So this is what I'm explaining to Power BI. It should end on 31st March. Let's close this parenthesis. Commit. Validated. Let's bring that into a table and see the results. Let's go back to the beginning. Again, if you see here, um, value remains same till 31st December 2005. Let's go there. There you go. So these are all daily sales. Okay. This YTD shows the year-end data 32 lakhs. Here also YTD FI shows year-end data 32 lakhs. But if you see the 1st January, this value, right, financial year one is not reset. Why did it reset on 1st January? It does not reset on 1st January. Ideally, it should reset on 31st March. Let's go to that. Sorry, it should reset on 1st April. See, for 31st March, it is showing that 50 lakhs. So from last year April till 31st March, this is the data. Again, the reset happened on the 1st April of every year. Okay. Hope you are clear with the concept, right? So what is YTD versus what is YTD financial year? If the year does not ends on 31st December, if you have something else, not even 31st March, you can still mention the date in the number format, right? 3 slash 31, something like that you can mention. So when someone asks, like, I want a year-end sales, right? Or YTD sales, or YTD revenue, YTD profit, something like that, you can use this function in this fashion. Hope you understand the concept. Please do motivate me by subscribing my channel, liking this video. Thanks for watching.